Hi there, it's Colleen. In this tutorial, we're going to go over something that's not real exciting, but it's something that you have to have on your website. And that is, your terms and conditions and a privacy policy. And if you're using affiliates, affiliate marketing, you'll want a disclosure agreement as well. And these are things that, you can learn more about online. And there are different online legal form companies you can use, and so on and so forth. But for the most part, here in Kajabi, I just want to show you how you can actually get in there and enter and edit the text that's there by default. So when you open a new Kajabi account, your site usually comes with, I believe it's terms and privacy policy already installed for you. And these basically are all Kajabi's information, not yours. So you're going to want to go in there and change out Kajabi's info with your own. So as you see, like down here on the bottom of my website, I have disclosures, terms, policy, and or privacy. So like when you click on disclosures, it brings up one of these kind of generic pages. Now, when you're in Kajabi and you go into your website, you'll see that they're like the static pages, but that only lets you customize what the page actually looks like. It doesn't give you the opportunity to go in and change the actual text. And where you'll do that is in settings. So you click on the settings tab, you'll see in this main site settings panel, you'll just click on static pages. And you'll see all the pages that are there already, which, like I said, you probably should have like its privacy and terms. And you can just go in, and if you click on whatever one that you want to edit, you'll see it pops it up, and you can add in the content that you want, change your URL, add page titles, add a page description, and add a page image. And when you're done, just click save, and you can go back and give it a refresh, and you'll see all of your terms and conditions and things like that are all there ready and waiting for you. So that's really all there is to it. It's super simple, but you definitely want to pop in there and make sure that you change the information so that it reflects your company and your business and not Kajabi's. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or comments, please, leave them in the comment section, and I check in every day or two to answer. But in the meantime, make sure you log in quick and make sure that your terms and privacy and any disclosure pages are all formatted with your information. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.